Okay. Hi guys, I'm TOMMASO RUMICI and we are at EY in Nuremberg. I'm speaking from the MKM booth and I would like to show you my new design, my first design for MKM. That's this one, called the Hero. Okay, you see this is a full-size backlock. It is intended to be an all-rounder, a knife that you can use in the city or in the outdoors. You have enough blade to do anything. You have a double thumb stud, so you can open the knife with both hands, and also since it's a backlock, it is completely ambidextrous, even for closing, and you have a two-side clip that makes the knife disappear inside the pocket or inside the waistband. So you can decide for concealed carry, or you can put a lanyard inside this hole and make it easier to take out from the pocket. The main feature of these knives are the blade. You see we have a tough drop point blade with the M390 steel, and as always on my project I focused on the handle. So if you see, the knife copies the shape of the hand, and also your fingers you can place your fingers naturally on the handle. You see the back of the handle is bigger, and that's a reason that has to do with the ergonomics. So when you grip the knife and you press your little finger here, you change a bit the angle between your wrist and the blade. So like this, and the blade goes upward, and also in reverse grip you take the knife back. Okay. You also have this space, so you can place your index, obviously paying attention to the start of the edge, but you can do small works also this way. The knife was made thinking about my experience also with guns and with tactical training, so you can do the same things with both hands. You don't know to remember that you are closing a frame lock, so with your left hand you have to do a different operation. So if you're working in some speedy operations, probably it works well than a usual liner. You can hear we have a tough lock, and I think it's quite old. You see we have some elegant finishes, but the knife is also suitable for law enforcement or for tactical use, since we have some synthetic versions together with some wooden handle or micarta or marble carbon. Okay, so thank you for your interest in my knives, and bye from me.
Thank you very much.